Hello! Happy New Year to you all! All winter I've been looking at chicken coop designs because I wasn't happy with the way our chicken coops are at the moment, and so I have plenty of ideas, and it's time for this useful shipping container to justify its name and actually be useful. So I'm hoping I can find some pieces of wood and brackets and whatever, and hopefully I can build something that I like a little bit better. So come with me. I think before I do anything else, I need to measure up the existing coop to make sure that my new designs fit. Okay, I think I have what I need measurement-wise. I also want to barricade this entry door a little bit better. I think in the past it's been used for pigs, and so it's rather big and wide and lets a lot of air in. So I'm going to board it up to a chicken size, maybe slightly bigger than a chicken size entry, and perhaps put a little curtain over it just to reduce the drafts a little bit more. So I found two shipping pallets, roughly the same size. What I will do is cut them both in half, so there's only one half used, as I don't need my perch to be that wide. So I'll cut them both in half, and I will attach pieces of wood sideways to make a bit of a box so it's sturdy, and then I'll put that plank over there on top, cut to size, and that will be my droppings board, and then on top of that I will build the actual perch. That's the plan anyway, see how it goes. I really like this food bucket. It just dangs on a little hook, so I can take it away if it's in my way for now. Just dangle it. I have to say, a wheelbarrow is pretty much on its last wheel, so I am repurposing our old wheelie bin as a temporary wheelbarrow, so I can put all this chicken manure into it and take it down to the compost heap. I noticed there's a lot of structures in this coop at the moment the chickens haven't even started using. Things like drawers and empty buckets and things like that. So I'm going to tidy up and make it a little bit more spacious in here, and hopefully they'll like it even more. I should probably go find some gloves. I'm back. I cut my finger. I need a plaster. Ow, it was a really deep cut. But you know what they say, the show must go on. I think what happened was I sharpened this knife a bit too much, and then I forgot that it's extra sharp, so yes, ouch. Anyway, back I go. It's just not my day. First I cut my finger, then my wheelie bin got stuck on the step and I took ages to tip that out. So I changed to this green bucket and now the handle has broken. Oh, but I'm nearly done, and once the shed is clean I will tell you what my plan is with all the perches. I'm nearly there. Oh look! She's so interested.